Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up upsells and cross-sells with ReConvert step by step clearly. To set up upsells and cross-sells with ReConvert, first, log in to your Shopify account. Navigate to the ReConvert dashboard. Click on the Upsell and Cross-Sell option in the menu. Select the product for which you want to create an upsell or cross-sell. Click on the Edit button next to that product. In the Upsell section, you'll find options for both upsells and cross-sells. For upsells, choose products that complement the selected item. Drag and drop the products you want to include in the upsell section. Adjust the appearance settings to match your store's style. Next, proceed to the cross-sell section. Select complementary items that might interest the customer based on their purchase. Again, drag and drop to arrange the cross-sell products. Configure the display settings for this section as well. Once you have arranged both sections, review your selections. Look over the design to ensure it aligns with your branding. After finalizing the settings, click the Save button. Visit your online store to preview the changes. Test the upsell and cross-sell functionality to ensure they are working as intended. Monitor the performance of your upsells and cross-sells through the ReConvert Analytics dashboard. Make any necessary adjustments based on the performance data. Continue to optimize your offerings for better customer engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.